Vivo just launched the X200 and X200 Pro back in October, and it's allegedly already working on the X200s due to arrive around April alongside the X200 Ultra. Chinese tipster Digital Chat Station has shared key details of what seems to be the X200s. The X200s will be powered by MediaTek's upcoming Dimensity 9400 Plus SoC, a slight improvement compared to the Dimensity 9400 in the original X200. The X200s will have a 6.67-inch 1.5K LTPS flat OLED display with extremely narrow bezels on three sides. The Vivo X200s is tipped to retain the same circular camera module on the back and accommodate 3 cameras including a periscope lens. The sensor arrangement is also said to remain the same. It's come with ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, large battery, and dust and water resistance rating. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.